Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your profile picture in State of Survival game. To change your profile picture in State of Survival, launch open the State of Survival game on your device like you normally do, and from the main gameplay page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. This will then bring you to your profile where you'll need to tap on the loop icon right at the top right corner of your profile picture. This will then take you to Chief Appearance option, from where you can go ahead and select your profile picture from the available menu. If you want to add your own profile picture, simply tap on the customizable camera icon and click on Go to Gallery. Choose a picture from your device's camera roll that you'd like to use as your profile avatar and tap Done. Right after you do that, you will then be able to upload your profile picture. After you do that, click on Submit, and then your new profile picture will be under review. The process will be completed within 24 hours. You'll just need to wait it out, and once you do, your profile picture will then be changed. Then your profile picture should now be updated with the new avatar. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.